AT&T's support chat is a key channel for customer service, helping users with inquiries, troubleshooting, and technical issues. However, it frequently experiences problems that prevent it from working properly. Common problems include chats that fail to load, sessions that time out or disconnect, and long wait times. Browser compatibility can also cause issues. These issues stem from underlying causes like network congestion during busy periods, software glitches, outdated systems, and challenges integrating with back-end databases. While AT&T works on improvements, users can try alternative solutions like phone support, self-service tools, or contacting during off-peak hours. Users often report several issues with AT&T support chat. The chat fails to load, times out during sessions, or disconnects abruptly. These problems stem from server overloads, browser compatibility issues, especially with ad blockers, authentication errors, and difficulties retrieving user account data from back-end databases. Here are examples of these errors on screen. Browser compatibility issues can prevent the chat from loading properly. Authentication errors show access expired messages, requiring user intervention. Server configuration issues affect connections and data retrieval. The primary causes of AT&T support chat issues stem from high user volume and outdated systems. AT&T serves over 100 million customers, creating significant demand on their support infrastructure. Outdated software presents another major challenge. Legacy systems struggle to handle modern chat functionalities, leading to frequent failures during peak usage times. The complexity of merging services following acquisitions further complicates the situation, as different systems must integrate seamlessly. This high demand strains the entire system, particularly during peak hours when users most need support. Legacy systems simply cannot keep up with the modern load, resulting in the chat failures that customers experience. This diagram illustrates how legacy systems integrate across different layers, from service layers to data access and APIs, highlighting the complexity that contributes to support chat issues. Service Level Agreements, or SLAs, are commitments AT&T makes to provide 24/7 chat availability for customer support. AT&T aims for round-the-clock availability, as shown by this clock icon representing their SLA promise. However, AT&T often falls short of these SLA commitments due to various issues. Key causes include cyber threats that compromise systems, scheduled maintenance downtime, and unexpected system failures. In real-world performance, user reports show response times often exceeding 30 to 60 minutes, with complete unavailability lasting hours. This gap between the promised SLA performance and actual experience leads to significant customer frustration. Here are examples of user complaints reflecting these issues, showing the real impact on customers. In September 2023, AT&T experienced a multi-day outage that severely impacted their support chat and online portals, affecting over 70,000 users primarily in the U.S. Northeast region. The outage caused chat systems to load indefinitely, preventing users from accessing technical support during a critical period. The outage sparked significant social media outcry, with users sharing their frustrations on platforms like Twitter, using hashtags such as #ATTDown to express their dissatisfaction. News outlets covered the outage extensively, highlighting how it exposed vulnerabilities in AT&T's network architecture and the challenges of handling high user demand. This event highlighted critical vulnerabilities in AT&T's network architecture and led to a class action lawsuit where users claimed AT&T falsely advertised reliable support services. Experts from industry analysts like Gartner view AT&T's chat support issues as a symptom of underinvestment in customer experience. Telecom companies with poor digital support face significant consequences. In fact, telecom firms with inadequate digital support lose between 10 and 15% of their customers each year, putting AT&T at significant risk. Comparative analysis shows clear differences with competitors. Verizon, for example, has implemented more robust AI systems in their chat support. Verizon's AI handles up to 80% of customer queries autonomously, while AT&T faces ongoing criticism for its low resolution rates, with only 60% user satisfaction, according to external studies. This comparative data comes from reputable sources like Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, where AT&T consistently ranks lowest among major carriers for support efficiency. These rankings highlight the gap between AT&T's current capabilities and industry standards, underscoring the need for significant improvements in their customer support infrastructure. Trends in telecom support point to a significant shift toward AI and automation. Chatbots are increasingly handling basic customer queries autonomously, reducing the load on human agents and improving response times. Another key development is the integration of 5G technology into support systems. 5G's high-speed connectivity allows for more efficient data transfer and real-time support, connecting devices seamlessly to servers. Cloud migrations are transforming how support systems operate. Moving to cloud-based platforms provides better scalability, allowing systems to handle increased demand without failures. AT&T is investing heavily in infrastructure upgrades. This includes phasing out legacy chat systems for more resilient platforms, driven by regulatory pressures for improved customer service. The roadmap shows potential phases for these upgrades. While AT&T continues to work on improving their support chat system, here are some practical troubleshooting tips you can try right now. First, try accessing the chat using a different web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, as compatibility issues can prevent it from loading properly. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or browser extensions, as these can interfere with the chat functionality. Additionally, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve loading issues caused by stored data conflicts. If the chat still doesn't work, consider these alternative support options. You can call AT&T's customer service line at 1-800-331-0500 for direct assistance. Visit the AT&T community forums, where other customers and moderators can help with common issues. Contact AT&T through their social media channels, such as @ATTHelp on Twitter, for quick responses to simple inquiries. Always check AT&T's official status page for information about known outages or maintenance that might affect service. When using any support method, be prepared for longer wait times and have your account information, such as your account number and recent billing details, ready to provide. Links to all these support options will be provided on screen for your convenience. By following these troubleshooting tips and exploring alternative support options, you can better navigate AT&T's customer service challenges. Remember to stay patient and prepared as the company continues to enhance their digital support infrastructure.